Hello everyone. This question appears in class 6th NCERT chapter of ratio and proportion. This is 10th question of its exercise 12.3. So, the question says that Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. Can you say who got the pens cheaper? So, firstly हम राजू का केस कंसिडर करेंगे. Raju purchased 10 pens in 150 rupees. So, cost of one pen is 150 upon 10 equal to 15 rupees. नेक्स्ट हम मनीष का केस देखेंगे. मनीष purchased 7 pens in 84 rupees. So cost of one pen equal to 84 upon 7. So ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास 12 रुपीज. सो हमें क्लियर दिख रहा है कि राजू वन पेन 15 रुपीज में परचेज कर रहा है एंड मनीष 12 रुपीज में. सो मनीष गॉट cheaper pen than Raju. So Manish purchased cheaper pen than Raju. That's our final answer. Thank you.